been 20 minutes, so it's time to rinse out my hair.
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to be putting Magenta oVertone on my hair. Sorry for the acoustics. There's not really many places to film me dyeing my hair. It's like bathroom number 1, bathroom number 2, bathroom number 3. This one's the best one. oVertone sent us a box of their new Magenta color. Thank you, oVertone, for the free product. Alright, so we have Pastel Magenta, Vibrant Magenta, and Extreme Magenta. And we have coloring conditioner of all 3 of those colors, and daily conditioner in all 3 of those colors. This isn't dye, so it's not harming my hair no matter what I do with it. Like, you guys comment I dye my hair too much and I'm ruining it with the dye. It's conditioner, just with pigment in it. So it actually helps my hair. It comes with gloves. We searched for gloves before filming this video, but it comes with gloves. So that's so cool. And it's got a little chart of like what to do depending on what your hair is at the moment. And since I already have color, then I would go over here, and my color is faded. So, deep treatment, which is what I'm going to be doing with these. These are the deep treatments, the big ones. We're just going to be doing Vibrant for today. But also, I'm really excited to see what these new colors look like. It'll be great. This is my natural hair after it's been in a ponytail for like a day. My hair is naturally curly. I didn't get it permed. It does this when it's wet. Why would I get a perm? You see, I always used to brush my hair and straighten it, and then it would just like be kind of wavy, and then it got slightly curlier. It did get curlier over time, but I used to straighten it and brush it a lot, so that affected it. Anyways, this person helping me is in fact not my mother, and is a random woman I picked up off the streets. She's not getting paid. They're like, whoa, you didn't do the peely right.
This looks very similar to
The
Extreme Pink.
It does, but a little bit darker. And now I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes and I'll be right back.
It's been 20 minutes, so it's time to rinse out my hair. And we're doing it in the sink because we don't want to stain the white tub. What are you doing?
Don't mind me, I'm getting down.
That's cold, it's so cold. It doesn't need to be this cold.
I don't know which way is hot and which way is cold on this.
So I've rinsed my hair, and now it's time to show you what it looks like damp. We'll show you what it looks like dry. But right now, you're seeing immediately after. So, it's like the type of yam.
It looks pretty.
Like a dragon fruit. All right, and now we're gonna dry it, and we're gonna show you what it looks like dry. Second reveal. So here is the finished result with my dry hair that is also natural. I have a teensy bit of product in there, but it's just like stuff I scrunch into my hair. So this is my natural hair. I do not get it permed. Just mentioning that again, because this is a hair video, and someone will tell me that my hair is unhealthy, when it's not. I'll fix my roots sometime, but currently this is just what it's like. Thank you once again to oVertone for the free product, and thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye YouTube. if you're someone who's only clicking on this video to comment, I used to watch you guys, oh my gosh. Thanks for watching, and please stay, continue to watch us. We'd appreciate it a lot.